Morning, everybody. This is another example of one of our 347s. Again, it's have it your way here at Proformance Unlimited. Well, this gentleman shows on his 347 450 edition, he wanted a Holley carburetor with a manual choke. We provided that, still tuned it up perfectly. He also wanted noisy gears, which you heard in the video, make it a whining sound like a supercharger. And we did that also. So again, here at Proformance Unlimited, when you order an engine, you get it the way you want it. Hey, you're looking for anything? Give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. All right, Jim. I got your 66 Ford GT350 engine. It happens to be one of our 347s. This one, you chose to put the noisy gears on it to make it sound like a supercharger. We're going to fire this up and give you a run demo. Runs great, man. Hear it? All right, we're ready to roll.